Learn English to speak in English. Many of us we start learning English but we cannot speak in English. What is actually reason behind it? In this video I'm going to tell you the short things. It's one kind of motivational video for you. How can you keep learning in English and how can you speak fluently like a native speakers? And I'm going to give you one story that is a truth taken from my life. I also shared a short story about my English journey, but today's story is totally different. So let's get started. I started learning English in 2020, like beginning time of pandemic COVID-19. But I learned all things: how to make sentence, how to make sentence long, simple, complex, compound, etc. things. I never focused grammar. I totally focused on learning English, on it totally. But all of the time, in 2020, like in 1 year, I totally learned English. I totally learned the all systems. But unfortunately, I couldn't speak in English. But actually, what is the reason behind it? Of course, the reason behind is we didn't follow, or I didn't follow the right path, or I didn't follow the right things because I had not enough, or I had not a regular partner to speak in English. I had a lot of shyness. I had a lot of unconfidence, like low confidence in my life at that time. I found after searching a lot, I found the friend circle, I found the partners, I found the place or environment where I can speak. Like I share on it. The most important thing that helped me too much to speak fluently in this moment, although I'm not a good speaker or my pronunciation is not good, but many of us always or every day email me, how can I speak fluently like me? So I follow the practicing regularly. From where? Not in 2020, in 2021, 2022, even 2023. These 3 years I totally gapped because I was totally pressurized on my college studies and I had no any interest to practice. Even I had no enough confidence. But beginning of the month of in 2024, I emphasized myself, no, I have to speak in English. I have to make an important skills, but I have to learn and I have to acquire these skills more perfectly, and I want to be an expert in this modern language. From 2024 I started practicing regularly, and from there it turns into boost. Right now my speaking is better. If you check my oldest speaking video like 1 year, and if you think, or if you just check it my video this time at present, you will see a lot of difference because I try to improve my pronunciation, try to make sentence more perfectly, and etc. thing I always try to do on English, but I try more. But think, if I couldn't try, or if I couldn't start properly regularly to speak in English from 2024, unfortunately I couldn't. Unfortunately, I was not a content creator. Unfortunately, I cannot give or upload video or cannot help you to motivate you. So by suggestion, end of this video, please, your age doesn't matter, your capability of learning or your memory, it doesn't matter. Matter is you should be regular. You at least practice 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever, but be regular. Try to speak on mobile phone, opening your camera. Try to speak in an open space. Try to speak on your friend circle or in partner, but you should be regular. It must help you to speak in English and make your mouth fluent. I hope this video you have got a note or you have got a signal how can you study your speaking or how can you make your mind motivation or motivated all of the time and can practice regularly. If you like this video or if you really want to get this type of video or if you want to be fluent or speak fluently like a native speaker, this channel must help you because I'm an English blogger and also English teachers. I help people to learn English who are eager to watch my video. Goodbye for now. I will come back to next video with new topic very soon. Till at the time, keep practicing, keep learning. Goodbye for now.